time for no fucking more.
How old is your son?
I got to go in. I got to buy shit for me.
There's no way a 16-year-old. He wouldn't even let
Give you $400 goddamn dollars. Got to spend $150 goddamn dollars on fucking food, which I don't even fucking eat. You better get that shit from somebody else. Ain't gonna keep getting it from me. Trust me. At least I can come stay there and give him $120, $300 motherfucking. Shut get your fuck out of me, motherfucker. You better get your ass off me before I kick the shit out your ass. I kick the shit out that bitch. You will let him keep on barking at me. I get at least $300 motherfucking dollars. You're not gonna do me like that. I'm tired of you treating me in the kind of way. I'm tired of that shit. 400 motherfucking cash goddamn dollars. Take all my goddamn food stamps. Go buy what the fuck you want to buy for you and your goddamn whoever else in this motherfucker. I'm not gonna keep doing it. Give me my motherfucking shit. Give me my shit on the goddamn first. I ain't gonna keep on telling you that shit. Get the fuck out your goddamn house. You get paid for Debbie, you don't get paid for me. You're not gonna take my motherfucking money. You ain't getting shit from me. You don't have, I can wash my own motherfucking clothes. I've been doing it on 4th Street. I can go to Goodman Plaza. You ain't gotta wash shit for me no more. You ain't gotta do shit for me. You ain't gotta do shit for me. I don't give a fuck. You're not gonna take my motherfucking money. That's that. You ain't got to get paid for doing shit for me. I go out to that motherfucker and ask them bitches how to take my medicine my motherfucking self. I do that. I go out there, get Bo to come take me out there and ask my goddamn, one of them the doctors that I had, how you take these motherfucking pills. They wanted me to learn how to do that shit on my own anyhow. You ain't gonna take my motherfucking money. That is out the question. I don't give a fuck what nobody said. You're not gonna take my motherfucking money. You're not gonna take my goddamn money like you do Debbie. I don't give a fuck what you say. You're not gonna take my motherfucking money. Are you not gonna, like everybody don't told me this shit. Everybody I talk to you about you don't told me, Pop, you shouldn't have to be getting up no goddamn $400 fucking goddamn dollars and then spend all your motherfucking stamps. Everybody I talk to. Everybody I talk to. They say you got to be a stupid motherfucker.
This settlement allows us to have freedom.
You ain't got to get paid for me, doing shit for me.
With the time we have left.
I gave you something, but you're not going to take my motherfucking money.
The money not coming out your pocket.
I worked 10 motherfucking years to get my money from my goddamn bank, and you not gonna take my motherfucking money. You worked out the goddamn thing. You work for your goddamn money. That shit take Horace Ellis. It don't do not take their Ellis. I don't give a fuck about what you talking about. Don't leave me the fuck alone. You better leave me the fuck alone. You're not gonna take all my motherfucking money. That is out the question. You're not. Man, I don't give a fuck. You didn't came out that damn fucking day to see me. You ain't came damn day to see my ass. Damn fucking day. Something here, a half a box of goddamn honey bun and 6 motherfucking pop. Get the fuck out of here. Spit up that girl to get her $20 motherfucking dollars. You pop got half on when he come home. What I had when I got home? Damn stamp. Don't spit all my goddamn stamps. And then this month, goddamn, you give me my goddamn car, I go hit check the goddamn thing, I got 37 motherfucking dollars on it.
Oh, I agree.
You don't keep doing me any kind of motherfucking way. Cause you spend them all. Oh man, I don't want to hear that shit. You're not gonna keep spending all my goddamn thing. I gotta give you $400 motherfucking dollars. I move the fuck out this bitch. When I get my goddamn money, soon as I get my goddamn money, I'm gonna beat the fuck out of here. Y'all will call for me. And I'll beat the fuck out your house. Friday comes, I will beat the fuck out of here. Everybody say, Pop, you got to be stupid, keep doing that shit. I ain't gonna tell you who. I tell you one goddamn thing. Everybody ain't telling me no damn lie. Man, I ain't supposed to goddamn pay no $400 goddamn dollars and no goddamn that shit about something. I goddamn dollars every fucking month. Been doing that shit.
He hasn't paid you back.
You take all my goddamn stamps, go spit all my goddamn stamps up. Keep my goddamn cards. Got me all upset last week with your ass. My goddamn cards. Every time I ask you for my shit, every fucking time, Buddha, give me my motherfucking card. I was gonna go get them bitches changed. And that's what I'm here for to do.
Do what you gotta do.
That's what the fuck I'm gonna do. You gonna get my goddamn card on the first? Especially that.
After I get my money.
I'm gonna give you $400 motherfucking dollars. And give me my motherfucking food stamp
And you
card.
pay me what you owe me too.
Yeah, I know what I owe you. $10 damn dollars. $13, $15. Pay you, I owe you 20 last month. Didn't I pay you that? But that's no problem. I give you, borrow you 20 for you to pay. Give your goddamn son 20. I'm not no goddamn fool. I might have had a goddamn procedure and a goddamn stroke, but I'm not stupid from a long motherfucking way. They gonna keep using me. I can't go back with the fuck I want to eat me. Everybody keep telling me the same shit.
Well, everybody need to come and take care of you.
You don't take care of me. You ain't got to wash no clothes for me no more. I walk to Goodman Plaza, put them in the goddamn machine, let them spin dry, take the bitches out, put them in a goddamn bag, and take the bitches over to Lee House. I'm not going to keep doing that shit. I'm not going to keep doing it. Every time I think about it, I get mad about it. 400 motherfucking goddamn dollars. Everybody's going to give you shit.
Well, I know who you talking